Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be playing an obby 650 stages, which means that, of course, I will not visit at all because you kind of really can't. This is a very long obby, 650. But before I continue, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications bell so you guys get notified every time I post a brand new video. And you know when you guys are going to do that? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so as soon as I make it to the end of this, you're going to have to be done. Okay, if you guys did in that time, make your comment down below. Obby Squad. So this was a fidget obby, but I don't think this is a fidget obby because do you guys see any fidgets? No. But it is okay. That noise is really annoying, like the boom. Even though you guys can't hear it, it's very annoying for me. Well, we are 1% done. Well, progress. Oh, and guys, if you didn't know, I actually got some new Robux, and I spent it, and I got this very cute outfit. Let me show you guys. So I got this really cute black crop top. I couldn't really find that good faces, so I don't really have that good of a face. I got this really pretty, cute hair. And I have some black ripped jeans, which are really cute. So yeah, that's my outfit. I got another one, but you guys will have to wait to see it when I put it actually on my body, because right now I'm rocking this really cute outfit. My progress is 3. No, but it looks like we've done so much. Now we're jumping on leaves? Wait, what are these? Are these leaves or are these trees? Okay, they're trees. Isn't that like the first time I died? No, wait. I don't know. I think it's the second, actually. Boom. Wait, are these like, do you know what they look like? They look like lollipops, like that are together. Or they look like cake pops. But probably my next video, let's see. I said that in the next video, like the last video, I'm pretty sure, that I would be rating a music video. But then I decided not to, but it might be in my next video, okay? But it's either my next video or the next video after that video. Because I'm actually doing 2 videos today because I just haven't posted in that long, and I just want you guys to, like sometimes if you're like bored because you like say you had multiple favorite YouTubers and you watched all of it, then like you get bored. So that's why I am doing 2 YouTube videos today. Okay, so yeah, my game just like froze, I think. Oh, there we go. I hate when that happens. Shoot! I didn't know you had to step on the purple. That's the only reason, like, now I died like 4 times, but that's the only reason, like, you don't really know, but. because you should go follow me on TikTok. I recently made an account. It is Play with Fun Things with No Spaces. So you guys should go check out my TikTok. I just started it, so I don't have that much progress in it, but I have enough. Oh. No, I would not want to. That like takes up your whole screen. There we go. Wait. Oh yeah, it's like you have to go a certain way to get it right, or maybe not. Just bad. There's like this little hack where like you look under, and if you can go through, it's the wrong one. And I only do it because I don't want to die so many times, and I don't want to remember. Okay, that's not it. Let's see, is this it? Oops, that means it's this one. Yay! It's a nice little thing because like nobody wants to guess. Well, I mean, some people do. Like, I don't think you can touch those blocks.
No.
So yeah, why the heck are you asking me that? No, I do not want to buy a skip stage. Stop asking me the same stinking question. There we go. You guys know what this kind of looks like? It looks like one of those rainbow slinkies things. Boss of the worms. Wait, I think. Oh, yeah, there we go. Wait, I think it's like you have to guess a certain color because I don't really know. Hey guys, what I want you guys to do right now, comment in the chat your favorite comment. Sorry guys, I accidentally messed up. But say in the chat what your favorite color is, okay? What the? Oh, it's because I was jumping, and I already checked this, so it wouldn't matter if I would die. If I died, because it was still something. I like those things that are like these things. They're like rain. Oh my god, I was so close to die. I literally thought I was gonna die there. But I like when they're like rainbow. That's like really pretty, isn't it? Isn't it, guys? Hold on, I thought I saw something down here. Oh yeah, did you guys see the moon? I want it to be the full moon, just like that moon, but way brighter. Do you know what these kind of look like? It looks like it's kind of like chocolate or like a Kit Kat. You guys think the same? Oh my god, I literally almost died there. Did you guys see that? Like, I was so close. I just died. Why did I say die like that? I said died. No! I literally like almost thinking died. I don't know why I say it like that. Wow, I didn't even know that. You literally had to pick the right one. I literally didn't even know that. Like, they expect you to know these kind of things. Well, I don't think they expect you to. Boom, 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 boom. That it. Like a professional. I literally just got like so scared right there. Okay, yeah, you do climb up there. Obby, sometimes it's so hard to tell what you like have to do in so yeah, like they're really hard. I don't know why they are, but like, wait, are you supposed to go on the top? Wait, I think you have a choice of doing it. I don't think you. Yeah, you can. See, you don't have to. There's two ways. I don't know why I'm talking like saying. Did you guys see that? I was literally just an inch away from it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go grab a drink right now. So let me go grab it. Okay. What the heck? Okay, there we go. I don't think you can touch the ride, so I'm like staying just. Oh, you can. I was like, I'm staying. But guys, if you guys didn't know, if you have like a best friend, you guys should play in obby. It's like a best friend obby. I'm pretty sure, yeah. And it's with like two people, and you have to do it together. What the? Oh my god. So yeah. Oh, do you guys like this music? My sister. Come on in. My sister put it on, right?
Yes, I did, guys. And also, guys, if you want to follow me on TikTok, and also we're going to give out our usernames for Roblox so you guys can friend us. So you can go ahead and tell them.
Yeah, but not that many because, like, I actually accept everybody's friend requests. So I don't have that much friend requests left.
This way to you.
Yeah, she also sings a lot. If you guys didn't know that. You know what you should start? A TikTok account with singing.
Oh my gosh.
That would be like so cool.
That's
how she sings. Okay.
Oh my god, guys.
But no more singing.
Also, guys, we were also thinking about doing rating people's outfits in Roblox.
Yeah, we were thinking.
And she was gonna do mine first.
But like Fashion Famous, right?
No, like Roblox avatars.
Oh, yeah, guys, we should do that. And then
like, you guys also comment down below whose is the best.
But then after, play some Fashion Famous.
Yes.
Like, who doesn't like Fashion
And tell them the worst part of the outfit and the best.
Yeah,
and give them like a compliment.
Since I already know her outfit, I can by far say one thing that I don't like about it.
Also, guys, I have the old school animation. It's only 80 Robux. It's so cute.
Yeah, it is, guys. You should go get it.
And also, we were thinking about doing a... Actually, you know what, guys? If we get more than 5 likes on this video, since we barely have any subscribers...
Because I just started anyway, so...
Yes, we will do a Blacksburg or Brookhaven roleplay.
Yeah.
We'll post it, and I will be the mom.
So,
my house is 4 stories, and it's like really big.
Yeah, so I'm saving up 200k to get the mansion, which I'm so close. I don't have 100k yet. I'm pretty sure I'm in like my 53,000. But yeah. Okay, guys. So I'm just gonna say it's Unicorn Sparkles M7, but guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
My username is DieGirl25. No caps, no spaces. Bye, guys.